Ready?
Yes, hi folks. This is what you need to do in the event of a power outage to open your garage door. Craig is going to demonstrate for us today. As you can see, he's looking around. He's going to pull that red cord, give it a good tug, disengage that latch up there, and now you can manually open your door. Yay, Craig! Okay, so now you can get your car out and go in and out of your garage. When the power does come back on, we're going to show you how to engage your garage door opener so it's functioning again. We flip that latch back up. We're going to follow Craig. Power's back on. Press the button, and it's going to tighten automatically. And now it's all hooked up for you. Easy as pie. All functioning again. I hope this helps, guys. Stay safe.